Hello, and thank you for tuning in to my video about how to download PDF classwork documents to your Google Drive in order to access them offline without internet access. So, during this video, I'm going to be using this black circle icon here to indicate some things on the screen and to indicate where I'm tapping, because you obviously can't see my finger. Now I want to make sure that you understand why you're watching this video. You are watching this video if you don't have internet access at home. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go somewhere that you have internet access. A safe place to do it would be the Sinawa Middle School parking lot, because your device automatically connects to that Wi-Fi. And so you can go in the parking lot, get on the Wi-Fi, and then do all of the downloading you need to be able to take it back home and access it when you don't have Wi-Fi. So I'm going to open up the Google Classroom app right here, green chalkboard looking thing. You should be logged into that. If not, I will have the codes posted on my Canvas and posted on my Sinawa Middle School staff page, if just on the normal internet. Okay, so I'm going to go to my math class first, and then I'll get to social studies right after that really quickly. But it's basically the exact same procedure. So I open up my math class. You don't have to be in first period. That doesn't really mean anything. All the math classes are the same. So I am going to show you really quickly that there's my sort of instructions page really quick. But basically there are 18 lessons, and in each lesson there are 3 PDFs. So that's a lot of downloading. But once you have them forever. So that's pretty good news. So here's my touch icon. If I open up my first lesson, you won't see the student work. You'll just see this page. So you'll see your 3 documents here, and you're going to open up each one. So here's your classwork page, and then the other documents on there. If you hit X in the top left corner, up here in the top left, hit X, you got your other 2 documents there and there. But the process for downloading one is the same for all the others. So I'm just going to show you one here. Let's say we're going to download this Unit 7, Lesson 1, CW, it stands for classwork. So Lesson 1 classwork. You're going to hit this box with an arrow coming out of it in the top right corner. That's going to take you to your Google Drive. So what you've done is you've opened up this PDF in your Google Drive now. So if I show you the app I'm working on, I'm actually on Google Drive now, no longer on the app, the Classroom app. So I go to my Google Drive, there we are. Now is where you're going to hit these 3 buttons in the top right corner, or 3 dots in the top right corner. So if you tap those 3 dots in the top right corner, you will see an option here that says Make Available Offline. So once you tap that, essentially what it's done is it has made this document, it's downloaded it to your Google Drive, like hard copy, no Wi-Fi necessary. So watch this. I'm going to close out of this this document, and I'm on my Google Drive. Now, I've organized my Google Drive. These are just a bunch of things that I have. But to show you how to find what you just downloaded, you can go up here to this Search Drive, tap Search Drive. To me, the easiest way to do it is tap Search Drive and then just tap PDFs, because everything you're downloading is a PDF. So I've got a bunch of stuff here in my class drive, but this one here is the most recent one we just did, the 7.1 classwork. So what I want you to see here is this little check mark. I can't zoom in, but I've got this tiny little check mark circle. All of these other documents don't have the tiny little checkbox circle. That checkbox circle means that I can access this without Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do to show you that is I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off here at home. So, I don't have Wi-Fi. Can I open it up still? I can. I can still open it up even without Wi-Fi. Okay? Now, from here, You can edit it in the app, or what I really like to do is just screenshot, and then once you've got a screenshot, you can use your photo app to draw on it and answer, not draw on it obviously, but answer the questions from there. Cool. And then once you have done that, you've screenshotted it and you're all good, you can, just like before, if you have me in class, tap this box with an arrow coming out, that's your share icon, and then you can actually submit it to student when you do have Wi-Fi. So basically what you can do is you can, get out of here, you can download all of these documents from Google Classroom. Let me go sideways here. You can download all these documents using that feature, and then take screenshots of them, color on them, then go back to the Wi-Fi later on whenever you're done one day, and then just go through on your Google Drive, open up everything that has a little, again, has that little circle with a check mark next to it. You can open up all those that you've edited and then just submit them, or honestly you could submit them from your photo app, because once you take a screenshot it'll put it in your photo app, so you can edit it there and then submit it from your photo app. Either way. Now, another way to do this that doesn't actually involve Google Drive at all is probably what you already know, but you could just go to a Wi-Fi hotspot in the Snow parking lot if you want, open up every document, and just troll the screenshot button. So take a screenshot of that first page, take a screenshot of the second page, and just screenshot every single page. And then you'll have a bunch of stuff in your photos as opposed to a bunch of stuff in your Google Drive. It is totally up to you, but that is how you can access your classwork without Wi-Fi at home. If you have any questions about that, please email me. My email is on the staff webpage on the Sonawa website. It's just cfields@fusd1.org. It's also if you do have Canvas and you are able to get on the internet somehow, you can also use the Canvas app to message me. It's because my Wi-Fi is not working. That's why. Whoopsies. So anyway, if you open up Canvas and you have Wi-Fi, you can message me there using this little inbox down here in the bottom right corner. You can message me there. Email, either way. You can even shoot me a text on the Remind 101 app that we use in class sometimes. Now, I did promise that I would show you some social studies things, but yes, it's the exact same thing. So I'll open up one of my social studies classes here, say period 6-7. There are some assignments on here. There are 10 assignments that I posted, all about our new unit on Japan. So a map, a timeline, a feudal system website, download PDF thing. All of these have PDFs attached, so if you want to see the first one, it's basically what we just looked at before. So you've got your Japan map here. I'll open that up. Again, if you want to download this to your offline Google Drive, tap the box in the corner. It pulls up the document for you. Then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. And then tap the Make Available Offline. And I've done that. So there's that arrow, that check mark there that lets you know it's done. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And again, to search my Google Drive for things that I've downloaded, PDFs that I've downloaded specifically, I'm going to attach Search Drive, and I'm going to tap PDF, and right there it is on top, the Japan map. And just like before, we have our little gray circle with an arrow in it to indicate that it's available offline. So that is how you download things to have available access offline. And again, you can always just do a screenshot as well. So please let me know if you have any questions. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.